Hi, I'm Matt.
And I'm Katie.
We're the team behind Yuh Hear Dem, a tool that makes Barbados Parliament session recordings searchable and conversational using AI. I'm a back-end engineer with experience in AI and knowledge systems. I handle the LLM and graph infrastructure.
And I come from an education background. I'm transitioning into tech. I designed and built the front end with a strong focus on usability and making interactions more conversational so users can engage with the system naturally and intuitively. Parliamentary sessions are published as long YouTube videos, hours of content, no search, no structure. There's no way to follow a topic or track what a politician has said unless you scrub through every video manually. This creates a barrier to civic engagement and accountability. So we created Yuh Hear Dem, a website to allow people to search these videos.
Yuh Hear Dem uses Google Gemini and MongoDB Atlas to turn unstructured transcripts into structured knowledge. We ingest the YouTube transcripts. We clean them up with Gemini, fixing sentences and aligning timestamps. We then use Gemini again to extract a knowledge graph of entities, topics, and relationships.
So here's what that looks like. The user types something like what has been discussed about the sugar tax. We then search the graph, find the relevant segment, and return an answer grounded in the video with a timestamp link.
Not clear, the additional 10% off.
It also prompts the user with follow-up questions gleaned from the knowledge graph. Design-wise, we focus on accessibility, something anyone in Barbados could use to understand what's being said in Parliament. This isn't just Q&A, it's context-aware civic intelligence.
So as for the tech stack, we use a combination of Gemini 2.5 Flash, Google Cloud, and Google Cloud Run to host the site, and MongoDB Atlas to store everything. And of course, Google ADK for the actual agentic bit. This handles the actual user interaction, parsing the intent, tool calling, and we use the automatic tool calling within ADK as well. It wasn't all straight sailing. The original design we had was a multi-agent design, and we had a sequential agent with a pipeline of various different agents that would do research, provenance, and writing. But there's a bug in ADK we found that means that the state is not reliably passed between agents. We've actually raised a ticket. It seems like a few other people have had this issue as well. So we actually had to refactor it into a single agent solution in which we have a single agent with multiple tools. And that worked a lot more reliably and was a lot simpler. Hopefully when this bug gets fixed, we can switch back to a richer multi-agent architecture.
Yuh Hear Dem brings transparency, memory, and searchability to public discourse. It empowers journalists, students, and citizens, and shows how LLMs and structured data can transform civic engagement.
The site is live. QR code is there if you want to check it out yourself. We plan to expand this to also cover additional channels and the statutes themselves. Thanks for watching, and we hope Yuh Hear Dem helps you hear what really matters.